SAT test structure and timing. A smooth sail to success. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the SAT test structure and timing. It's essential to know this because understanding the framework will help you pace yourself better and ultimately get that dream score. So, let's get started. The SAT is a standardized test widely used for college admissions in the United States. It comprises 4 main sections: evidence-based reading and writing, which includes reading and writing in language; math, which has 2 sections, with and without a calculator, and the optional essay. 1. Evidence-based reading. Total time, 65 minutes. Questions, 52. This means you have a little over a minute per question. Focus on comprehension and context. 2. Writing and language. Total time, 35 minutes. Questions, 44. Quick pace. Less than a minute per question. It's all about grammar, punctuation, and understanding the author's intent. 3. Math, without a calculator. Total time, 25 minutes. Questions, 20. Some questions may take longer, while others might be quick solves. It's crucial to be familiar with foundational math concepts. 4. Math, with a calculator. Total time, 55 minutes. Questions, 38. Here, problems can vary in complexity. It's okay to use your calculator, but remember, sometimes mental math can be faster. 5. Optional essay. Total time, 50 minutes. Here, you'll analyze a given text and write a coherent essay showcasing your understanding and analytical skills. 1. Always be aware of the clock. It's your friend and guide. 2. If you're stuck on a question, mark it and move on. Return to it later if you have time. 3. Practice makes perfect. The more you familiarize yourself with the structure and timing, the more comfortable you'll become on test day. 4. Remember, the goal is accuracy, but you don't want to leave too many questions unanswered. A good balance is key. And there we have it. A comprehensive overview of the SAT test structure and timing. It might feel overwhelming now, but with the right preparation and understanding, you'll sail smoothly through the test. Remember, it's not just about answering the questions but understanding the rhythm of the test. Best of luck, and here's to acing that SAT.